my husband knows it. And sabi niya, hindi na niya yan mababago from me. I've been working since I was 15 years old, and sabi niya, it's not something that he wants to change, and I'm really grateful for that. That he's very supportive. We've been apart again for like 6 weeks, and it's not the typical setup for most people, but you know what, we're making it work. And we want to make it work, and I'm just very grateful that he's very understanding and he supports it, whatever it is, my goals. And I would like to do the same for him. So I try to find a perfect balance. It's not the easiest thing to do, but you know, I'm happy where I'm at. And I'm happy being home here in the Philippines. The truth is, yes, I have 3 different homes, but Philippines for me is still home. I may be doing projects abroad, but iba pa rin, syempre, diba? Parang pag uwi mo dito, iba yung pagkain, iba yung mga kasama mong tao, ang sarap mag-Tagalog, yung alam mo yung mga ganang simpleng bagay. Kaya I'm just grateful that he's there for me, even if I'm busy, and we find time for each other. And even if I'm on set, we incorporate each other's time, like we're always on FaceTime, ganyan, so it helps.
Saan siya naka-base? And ikaw, Philippines yung base mo?
Oh my God, di ko alam yung, sa totoo lang yung base mo. I think, I would like to say, since I'm here a lot, but I'm still here a lot. It's just that pag may work din ako abroad, nandun din ako. So where work takes me, that's where I'll be. But he's based in Los Angeles. For now, yes.
At dugtungan ko lang tanong ni Janice na your plans of getting pregnant eventually, because sabi mo you still have work. Ano pa ba, parang do you have fears of being a mom? May worries ka ba that you can share with us?
Oh my God, of course. I mean, sa lahat siguro ng role na pwede kong i-play, probably being a mother would be the most difficult and the most challenging ever, because I think I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to the characters that I play. What more but in real life? If there's one thing that I would like to do perfectly is to be a good mother. Diba? And when that time comes, and if God blesses me with that opportunity, I just want to be a great mother. I don't know. I mean, like, ang dami kong mga examples na I even call my friends and ask them kung, how is it to be a mom, or even as simple as when I see my mom, how she treats me. And I've been raised by a single mother, so parang, you know, parang, I hope I get to be as good as her. I hope I get to be as good as, you know, my assistant and my RN. They're such great mothers. Tapos they get to take care of me as well, and they get to go to work. So yun lang iniisip ko. Gusto kong makita yung mga, I look up to these people, and they set a good example. Kasi nga, the fact that they get to go to work at the same time and take care of me, na saling pusa lang naman ako, tapos may mga kids sila. So it's nice to see that na, okay, ibig sabihin in the future, kind of